Okay, here's my 1949 Moline Zau. Today we're going to replace the head gaskets, and I'll show you some modifications I've done to it. The first one was a set of, I guess the first one was a 12-volt alternator. I'll put some LED lights on it from Amazon. I recently put new tires on it, filled them with RV fluid. It's got a power steering aftermarket unit on it. I changed the seat design to allow for a 3-point hitch that I modified to put on the Moline. And the reason we're doing the head gaskets, got some oil leak going on here, and if you look down here at the water pump across the bar here, about right in this area, we're losing water, dripping out. It's low on fluid right now, so it's not dripping as fast as it normally does. So we'll give it a bath and then take it apart and see how it goes. Okay, and this is what the Moline sounds like before the rebuild. I added a switch here for the alternator. Fires right up, runs good.